Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the how to delete the product variations, bulk WooCommerce variations we are going to delete. So let's start the video so you will get to know how to delete the bulk variations in WooCommerce. So let's start the tutorial. So let me open my this admin panel of the WooCommerce WordPress WP admin, login, logged in. So we are going to create some of the variations first. Okay, so where is products? All products. It seems something is might affect the visual composer. Where is, so we will delete all this product first. Trash. So I'm going to add a one product with the attributes. We will check. We have a color edit attribute. Okay. Configure items. How much color we have? Okay, we have color. Then we have dial. Okay, we have dial. Then we have size. Configure items. Okay, we have all this. Let's add new product. So I'm going to add new product, that is configure variable product, variation product. Okay, so here I'm going to add this stuff, variation product. Okay, journals, regular price 23, sale price no, inventory SKU, manage stock, we have stock quantity 55. Okay, and shipping no, link products no, attributes, yeah, we have color attribute add, select all. We need to select here the variation variable product. Okay, attributes, wish for variation, save attributes. One more, we are going to add dial, so add this one also. Okay, save attributes, dial, select all, save attributes. Okay, then variations we are going to create. So create all variation from the attributes. So 12 attributes it's gonna be creating. Okay, these are the variations, correct? And let's save it, publish it. Okay, if I go and check, you will see the product preview. This product is out of stock, unavailable. Okay, so make it available, variations. So it is manage stock, we can make it manage stock, and stock would be 66. Future date we will 12, we can add it 12 12 22 2. Okay, because we required it next in the next video. Okay, manage stock, we have 4. We need to add this future ship date, all the same. Manage stock, regular. We'll add the regular price also at the same. This is the price. Okay, same with this price. Manage stock, date, stock quantity. Okay, same with manage stock, 12, future date, stock quantity. Okay, make it fast. And regular price 12, future date. So this is manage stock. Okay, no, manage stock, 12, future date. This is done. We will save the changes. Okay, and make the product update. You can see that we have option green, we have this one, we have the future ship date. Okay, so this is we are done. So I want to delete all these variations without doing anything. I have to create a new API where we can delete all these variations successfully. So let's start the tutorial on, let's check how we are going to do that. So first variations are ready. So first of all, copy this my function. I have created the API. Okay, so first of all, go to the function.php. Let's suppose first of all check which theme I'm using right now. So I don't know which theme. Appearance themes. So which theme I'm going to use? Encoded. Okay, so we're going to HTML. We have WordPress new. We have to go for the WP content themes, encoded functions.php. Open it, paste it. Previous we have a ship date. Okay, so I've added this one. So the API endpoint gonna be like, you can see that what I have done. First of all, we have add the API endpoint, that is m1v1 author. Okay, after this I will call this function my function. Here I'm getting all the products array, okay, which have the status, and I'm looping that product. Okay, after this I'm getting the ID and the children products, that is the variation products, and the variation products when it come into role, I will loop it through and passing the get post variation ID and delete that variation product. Okay, that is the logic that which I'm implementing. So let's hit the API and check what's exactly it's gonna be. Okay, so let's go to the this one, let's go to the browser, and here I'm going to add WP JSON. So we are going to add this one. I have an author. Okay, and enter raw data. Okay, this is the product variation. If I go and check this variation of the product is out of stock. And if I go to the backend, I have already added the variations, right? And you can see that the variations are deleted. This is a very, you can search it on a Google, but you will not going to find this tutorial. Okay, so they are the plugins which are paid. So this is how we can delete the variations programmatically without any kind of like hassle. Okay, so this is I hope you understand what we have to do for deleting the variations programmatically, or you can do through the Verest API. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now. If you have any issue in that, just let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment if you like the video. If really it resolves your issue, then just let me know in the comment box. Have a great day.